if you don't have it already. I mean, you can do it other ways. Get a step up bit. You can get like a set of 3 different sizes on Amazon for like 10 bucks. And it's really easy to drill holes like we're going to drill for the speaker wires. Now you can do wherever you want to do it. Me personally, the way I did it on the other side, you'll see in here is a little groove that I drilled a hole in here to run my speaker wire through. If you mess up, it's the back of it, and this is behind the speaker, so it doesn't matter. Okay. And I started on the back. And I'm going to finish in the front. So you see the little hole there? I don't know if you can really see it. There's no light on it, but if you can't, sorry. If you can catch that. Goes right through like butter. As they say in New York, butter. Ugh, don't do that. Nice and clean. I don't know if you can see it. So let's make sure the speaker wire goes through. Might have to go a little wider. Okay. Now the back of this, let's see if I have the right tool on there. I'm gonna pop off one of them, loosen the other one. Just like that. Pop that up. Alright, so you want to make sure that this bottom piece is in front. Like that. Okay. All right, once that's on there, throw the nut back on here. You can just finger tight it. You don't want to. Don't make it too tight because you're going to have to adjust this. And you want to make sure this fits right. You want to position it to the point where that's, see how that fit nice and snug? So you want to make sure this is nice and fits perfectly. You still have a little bit of play here. You just want to make sure that that's right. So with that about here, I'm going to take this off. Right off. Let's tighten this up. If you don't have one of these, you don't know what you're missing. Don't over tighten these. That shit is not moving. One more time, let's make sure this is right before we go ahead and do the hardest part of this whole thing. And it's not, see? So, hold on. Trust me, you don't want to wrestle this later. Actually, it is right, okay. Now that we know that's good, we just got to do the bottom clamp too. So let's put that on before we do this. Alright, the Amazon kit comes with 2 of these, washer, bolt, and nut. Like I said, I'm already using one from the old one, but they're the same exact thing. It doesn't matter. So I'm just going to push this through. I'm going to have to get on the ground. Okay. Tape it right to the screw. Not too hard, just enough that you're not going to drop it because it's a little bit off-centered. And you kind of have to feel in there. Don't want to over tighten this, trust me, because then you bend it right off of the plastic. I'm going to go a little tighter. It's not moving, but it is moving a little bit. So. All right. It ain't going anywhere. Look at this. I mean, I'm getting on it right now.